Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Rico's Toy Reviews. But today we're gonna be doing something a little different. Today we are doing the chicken nugget and French fry challenge. The way it works is that we're gonna be blindfolded and we're gonna try a bunch of chicken nuggets and fries from a bunch of different places. The chicken nuggets are 1 point, the French fries are 2 points. The winner gets a toy off Amazon, which my dad ordered, and the loser gets pie face with whipped cream. Alright guys, let's get right into it. Okay, but before we get started, I'm gonna introduce someone very special. His name is my cousin Aiden, aka my Nugget. What's up? Epic fail. Alright guys, let's do this. It's too tiny! I got a ginormous head.
When I have a fry, I have chicken nugget. Chicken nugget. Ooh. Are these in pieces? Yeah, they. Ooh, this one's easy. And now this one.
It tastes like McDonald's, but at the same time, it tastes like Burger King.
What?
I don't know what it is. I'm not a master at this mostly.
I know this one. McDonald's?
Oh, come on. I'm guessing it's Burger King.
What the?
This tastes kind of cold.
Oh, I think I know what it is.
Dang it.
Not this.
Burger King. I'm guessing that's Burger King.
No, I think it's one of these.
Wait, no, I guess it's Burger King.
The only thing I can see is black and white. I can feel my place not here.
Yeah.
What the heck? Don't stay on the toilet.
I'm guessing this one's one of these.
I think this is Burger King. Oh, this hurts my eyes. Do they hurt your eyes?
No.
The blindfold? Oh. Ooh. I think this is one of these.
I think this is Jack in the Box.
Wait, what? They have chicken nuggets?
Oh yeah, this is definitely Jack in the Box. I'm just gonna finish this fast, please. Alright, we just got informed that Aiden is winning to 1 to 0. I'm 0. He's 1. Next, there's the fries, the final round. I don't know if I'm looking at you guys. My thing keeps getting bigger and bigger, so I have to keep tying it.
Wait, what? Did I get it right?
I don't know. Oh yay, a bunch of them.
Wait, there's two. There's 2 big ones. This is easy. I had these yesterday, I think so. Yep.
McDonald's, these are definitely McDonald's.
Yep, McDonald's.
Oh wait. Wait, no, I guess that was Burger King.
McDonald's happy fun. 100% McDonald's. Hey, don't hit me.
I didn't go hit you.
Oh.
Why is that thing getting bigger?
Why is the thing getting blacker? Oh, this is...
Wait.
Wait. Drink Burger King.
It's hot.
Yeah, because they all smell the same.
No, because they all taste the same.
100%.
100% McDonald's, I swear.
100% burger.
If I get this wrong, I'm gonna be so mad.
Oh, okay, this is good.
Wendy's. I'm guessing this is Wendy's.
Oh, that was fast. That was fast.
I know. I actually felt them like take it away.
This is how you do it. This is how you do it. This is how you sneeze. Everything.
Jack in the Box.
Wait, what? We have fries too?
Yeah, I want fries.
I think this is Jack in the Box. Oh, yum, 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 yum. Oh, there he goes.
I know what. Oh no, wait. What if it was one that's super cold?
What if there's one that was super spicy?
Oh, yeah, that'd be you.
Oh.
Alright, we got the results, and the winner is. Rico wins. Yeah!
My paper.
Oh my god, my paper.
I lost, and congratulations to Rico. My name is Jeff.
Oh my god!
Oh, Lego.
Oh yeah, Lego Star Wars. Alright, I got the Republic fighter tank. It comes with a clone trooper, a gunner. I can't pronounce it. 2 battle droids and whatever his name is. Alright guys, now we're gonna go outside so I can give Aiden his surprise. Okay guys, that's gonna do it for this episode. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Become Mr. Whiteface! No! Oh, it's gone! I'm gonna say that! Pretty good! Alright guys, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
I wish you a Merry Christmas. Who's touching me?
Not me.
Now what?
What?